Starting off our list with the Chess Armory 15-inch. This one offers wooden materials for the board and chess pieces, and they look great. Lots of people will regard the dimensions of the board as just right. It's big enough that you can get a good look at the game as you play. The board's 15-inch length also doesn't make it too difficult to bring along with you to the park or coffee house where you meet your friends to play chess. The pieces are also sized nicely and are proportional to the board. They're not all crowded together, so picking up the pieces and moving them to another square does not require extra care. The design of the pieces also looks nice enough. They're in the traditional Staunton design, so experienced players won't have to look twice to identify which piece is which. Next up, we have the Yellow Mountain Imports. This compact magnetic travel chess set comes with a quality board and playing pieces. It's ideal for playing on the go or for practicing your moves. This two-player strategy board game from the 7th century is believed to have originated from India. It's one of the great classic board games played by millions worldwide. Also, these chess sets are lovely and are perfect for classroom instruction. The magnets work tremendous, and the silver and gold are beautiful. Also, for someone who is a beginner to the chess game or is still learning how to play, this magnetic set from Yellow Mountain Imports is an excellent option. Moving forward, we have Winning Moves No Stress Chess. This one is slightly different from others on our list. It's not merely a chess set, but it's also a chess teacher. With this revolutionary chess teacher, you'll be playing the world's most fantastic game in no time at all. Unlike any other chess teacher, No Stress Chess teaches you how to play using illustrated cards and an illustrated two-sided game board. Finally, a way to learn chess without stress. These innovative deck of action cards depicts a chess piece and how it moves. Once you become comfortable with each chess piece's moves and powers, you can flip the two-sided board over and play standard chess. It then includes rules for 2 variations of play using the action cards and all the necessary regulations for standard chess. Up next is the Wegiel Handmade European. An antique chess set belonging to the style Staunton, Wegiel Ambassador set is made using a combination of different woods, including birch, sycamore, hornbeam, and beechwood. The set itself is a blend of antique features with a modern structure, making it different from other chess sets. The board also has numbers and letters that coordinate in algebraic form. It is handcrafted in Poland, so that you will notice some minor differences, but don't bother too much about it as it only makes the chess set more unique. You'll also see some glue under every piece used to stick felt to the chess piece. The board further has a felt covering underneath as well. It folds into half to turn into a box, which is indented to store the chess pieces. Up next on our list, we have the Harry Potter Wizard. Welcome the characters of your favorite fantasy novel and movie series to your den with the Harry Potter Wizard chess set by the Noble Collection. It is an officially Warner Brothers authorized merchandise and includes a foldable plastic chessboard and 32 chess pieces. This set is a miniature version of the chess set we saw in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. It is a giant board measuring at 18.5 square inches, with the king measuring at 4.5 inches. You also get 2 drawstring pouches, one black and one silver, to store the individual chess pieces. The pieces have sharp edges, so we don't recommend giving them to young kids as they tend to put everything in their mouths. It costs way more than it should, but you wouldn't want to give it a miss since it's official merchandise. It also makes a perfect game for themed game nights or on Halloween. Up next, we have the Main Street Classic Broadway 5-in-1. All of your favorite classic board games are now available in one convenient package with the Main Street Classics 5-in-1 Broadway Combo Set. This comprehensive package is a self-contained carrying case for all the pieces that come included. Broadway contains 5 of your favorite classic board games in one place: chess, checkers, backgammon, Chinese checkers, and various dice games. This all-in-one combo starts with the sharp black leatherette covering that surrounds the entire exterior. It is a sleek design that will look great alongside the rest of your collection. The top serves as the playing surface for chess and checkers on one side, with backgammon on the reverse. Underneath that is the Chinese checkers board, to prevent the marbles from rolling off the table. Along each side of the combo game are 2 drawers to hold all of the other loose pieces when it is in storage. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.